In this video, we will explain how to create and manage custom fields. Custom fields in Tuskr allow teams to extend the test case, test runs, or issue forms with additional fields. Teams use custom fields to capture additional details specific to their testing process. For example, marking test cases with specific flag, defining priority levels, or specifying the testing environment. This helps teams better organize, filter, and manage their test cases. To create a new custom field, first click the Custom Fields tab in the main sidebar. Click New button on Custom Fields page, type the field name, enter a unique key. This key serves as field identifier in the database. Choose which form the new custom field will be added to. In this example, we will add a new field to the test case form. From the Type dropdown, you can choose from a list of available field types, such as checkbox, date, dropdown, and more. For this example, we will select multi-line text. Optionally, you can set a default value for the new field. Choose the format for the new field. In this example, we will select rich text, which enables text styling. Choose whether the field is optional or required by toggling the required switch. Select the projects you want to apply these changes to. If left blank, the custom field will be applied to all projects. Save New Custom Field by clicking the Save button. The new custom field has been successfully created. To view it, open the test case form. The new description text field is available in the form. Custom fields provide a powerful way to tailor your testing workflow to your daily processes. They enable you to capture the exact data your team needs in a structured and efficient manner. Thank you for watching.